Hi, welcome to Moving Mango. I'm Hannah and this is Bo, and today we are going to do a Pilates flow to increase the flexibility and also to feel good and to feel stronger afterwards. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together. Alright, now let's start by allow yourself to sit along the mat. We're gonna do some warm up before we start the main workout. So inhale, lengthen the spine, bend your knees and open your legs 6 feet apart. Inhale, lift your arms all the way up. And exhale, slowly bring your arms down. And a couple more times here. So inhale and exhale. Keep breathing and come back. Just by lengthening the spine, you already engage your abs to hold your body in this position and to feel good with the posture, especially if you sit all day. So keep breathing, inhale and exhale, and slowly bring your arms down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions and then reverse. Awesome. And now I want you to allow yourself to inhale. Just lift your arms to the front, palms facing each other. Relax your shoulders and then slowly rotate your torso to one side and to the opposite side. You feel your obliques are twisting. And a couple more times with your own breath. Inhale and exhale to the other side and come back in 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center, hands down behind your hips. Now close your elbows and we start the main workout from here. So I'm going to inhale, pull the belly button in, keep your shoulders far away from you, just really push your chest up. Lift your heels off the mat and lift one leg up, lengthen, come back to the other side and back to the center. So this is gonna engage and use a lot of strength from your hips and your legs muscles, from your booty muscles at the same time. So just engage your core, keep breathing and lengthen, come back to the other side. Really pull the belly button in so you can gently round your spine if it feels better with the lower back, but listen to your body. Awesome. Inhale and exhale. If you want to make it easier, feel free to put your forearms down to the mat, and that way it's going to create more space for you to move the leg. Keep breathing to the other side. Come back. And 3, 2, last one. And slowly bring your heels down. Allow yourself to lengthen your whole legs. Put your forearms down, or again, make it more challenging by lift your hands, your elbows off the mat. So you're going to allow yourself to inhale, pull the belly button in, try to lift both legs up at the same time and bring it down. Now if you're a beginner, if you want to make it easier for your day, just each leg at a time. Slowly. That's amazing. Lift and down. And a couple more times with your own breath. Awesome. Keep breathing. 5, 4, do it with your own speed. 3, don't have to be so quick, just engage your abs and listen to your body. And last one, and slowly bend your knees, hug your knees to your chest, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. That's amazing, guys. Now you're going to allow yourself to lie all the way down on your back. Arms along your body, lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Now inhale, bring both legs down and lift it up. And each leg at a time if it's easier for you. So listen to your body. Keep breathing. Squeeze your inner thighs and really pull the belly button toward the spine. So your hips stabilized, only your leg is moving, same angle on your knees. Awesome. Inhale and exhale and down and lift. And a couple more times with your own breath. And slowly flex the ankle, lengthen one leg, lower your leg, lift it up and bend to the opposite side. So make a precise movement like a 2 steps move here. So inhale 1, lower and lift and back. 1 and 2, 2 and 1. Very good. So we're gonna try to do a couple more times with your own breath. Pull the belly button in, shoulder blades down. That's amazing. Inhale and exhale to the other side. Come back. Lengthen. Now make sure you use the breath to control the movement. So inhale halfway, exhale halfway. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. To the other side. And last one. And to the opposite side. And slowly bring your feet down to the mat. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And when you're ready, I want you to lengthen your legs all the way up. Extend the ankle. Open your arms to the side. And then slowly open your legs all the way. And knee bend. And lengthen. And close. A couple more times with your own breath. So bring your feet all the way down, as close to the hips as you can, and then lengthen all the way up. Squeeze your inner thighs to bring your legs back to the center. Inhale halfway, exhale halfway. And 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your feet down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply, exhale deeply, arms along your body, round your spine, draw your hips all the way up, and slowly down, each vertebra at a time, arch your back, and press your lower back down all the way, lift your hips all the way up again, and slowly bring it down. Awesome. I'm gonna try to do a couple more times with your own breath. So inhale and exhale and round and lift and down. And 3, come back. 2, lift, and last one. And slowly bring your hips down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And when you're ready, I want you to move your legs, lengthening, flex the ankle, open your legs hip width apart, pull the belly button in, arms up to the ceiling, inhale and exhale, nod your head and slowly use your arms to roll up to the sitting position. Shoulders relaxed, and now flex forward. And then come back again, lengthen the spine, lean backward a little bit further to the point that you feel it starts to feel heavy on your core. And then you round your spine, bring each vertebra at a time down to the mat, hands over your head. I'm gonna try to do 3 more times here. So inhale, flex, and come back and try to not lift your feet off the mat. Use the core instead. Inhale and exhale. Come back. Last one. And lift. Flex forward and slowly bring it back to the center. Gently shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. You can bend your knees. And exhale deeply. Awesome. And now I'm going to bring your hands to the front. Shoulders relaxed. Lean backward. Open your chest. And then round your spine and open. And a couple more times with your own breath. Relax your shoulders. Just feel the movement of your spine, each vertebra at a time. And last one. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Good. And now I'm going to allow yourself to bring your hands to the side, shoulders over your head, Bend your bottom knee and lengthen your top leg, flex your ankle. Now inhale and lift your hips as high as you can. Push your hips all the way up, engage your abs, and slowly bring it down. Or just push your hips to the point that you feel good with the lower back. So I'm gonna try to do 3 more times. Come back, slowly. 2. I want you to hear your own breath. Last one, because that's how we know that we use the breath to control the movement, and it's so much easier to engage all the muscles when you breathe and when you can hear your own breath. Alright, so now again to the opposite side. Lengthen and bring your hips down to the mat. Cross your legs, or feel free to bend your knees, open your legs if it's easier for you. So pull the belly button gently in, hands on your knees. Take a deep breath. Exhale deeply. Now articulate your spine, get in current sitting position, and then round your spine, and then articulate your spine again, and round your spine. Awesome. And couple more times with your own breath. 2. And last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Now rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. Even if it's just a 20 minutes workout, I still want you to really try to stretch in all the possible way, because that's how we're gonna feel good afterwards. It's the most important thing. It's not the most important part of the workout, but I think it's pretty important. So keep breathing. Alright, and now bring your head to one side. Feel the side of your neck is stretching, and to the other side. And just stay here as long as you need to. So pause the video anytime you need, and then come back a couple more times to the other side. And one more time to the opposite side, and slowly bring your torso back to the center. Look down, and then look up, and down again, and up, and slowly bring it back. Rotate the shoulders again, and reverse. Take a deep inhalation, and exhale deeply. Close your eyes, gently shake your hips. Feel how your body moves, and keep balance on the mat. Inhale and exhale, and slowly open your eyes when you're ready. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, share the workout with someone that you think it will be helpful, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.